Hi friends, samahan niyo ako sa first day ko sa morning shift. For those wondering, nagwo-work ako in the IT field. Specifically sa application maintenance or management or whatever you call it. But the main job that we do is to ensure na tumatakbo yung mga application. Good thing about my job is that hindi ako nagko-code. Having said that, we're still required to know how to read code, logs, and be really logical. Ang schedule ko dati is 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. pero nagbago na siya since we're trying to cover more hours. At sa sobrang excited ko nga mag-work, di ako nakatulog ng maayos kaya bangag na ako. Since I arrive early, naisipan kong maglakad around BGC, which is my favorite thing to do when I'm looking for peace. Grabe, there's something about mornings in BGC. I often hear na soulless tong lugar na to, pero I beg to differ. In my honest opinion, BGC has a lot of personality and it inspires me to grind some more. Kasi it's a fact na mahal talaga dito, pero I see it as a motivation para galingan pa sa ginagawa ko. Itong dinadaanan ko is yung favorite route ko, which is yung pa High Street at papunta ng Juan Bonifacio High Street Mall. Kahit pag nagde-date kami ng wife ko, dito din kami dumadaan. Just looking at the sun bouncing on the building walls gives me the feels. Mapapasenti ka na lang habang nagsa-sound trip ka and you imagine things. Mag-iisip ka na lang ng kung ano-ano, mapaprocess mo yung thoughts mo. And when you're in a block, bigla ka na lang makakaisip ng paraan. That's why walking to me is really therapeutic. Malayo-layo na rin yung nalakad natin, so I decided to make a stop dito sa tapat ng Wolfgang. This is to do my start of the day activities like checking my chats, my emails, yung mga task ko. So yeah, magbabrowse muna ako dito. And we're done. Tara, let's go back. From here, we'll walk the same distance pabalik ng office and madadaanan natin yung mga favorite places ko. Sana masama ko rin dito minsan yung mga office mates ko. Yung shifting and palipat-lipat lalo na sa field ng IT that I am working in is very common. Of course, some applications run 24/7 and with that, need na may naka-standby na IT to address issues para continuous yung operation nila. I can talk more and more about my job pero I'm not here to bore you. At ayun na nga, nakabalik na nga tayo and it was a good walk. Medyo nag-sweat lang tayo pero di naman amoy pawis. Amoy baby pa din. The morning sunlight, yung ingay ng mga vehicles and people on their way to do their own thing. I appreciate all of these. Etong mga bagay na to ay hindi ko makikita kung hindi ko piniling maglakad. Kaya I'm really happy na nagawa ko siyang habit because I think it's really good for me. Kaya naman sa mga nanonood nito, I encourage you na maglakad din kayo. Trust me, makakabuti to sa inyo. Yun lang for today. Work na tayo and thank you for watching. Bye!